Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by creating a Google Tag Manager account and a single container for your website. This centralizes tag management. Once created, copy both head and body snippets into your site template so every page loads the container. Make sure to add a basic data layer object with key values like page category and user ID before the GTM script. This lets you send structured data to tags. Once done, save and keep your container ID handy for tag configurations. Now you add the actual tags. Set up Google Analytics conversion pixels and any custom HTML tags you need. While doing that, define triggers that fire them, for example page view for base analytics, click for button tracking, and form submit for conversions. You also create variables for reuse, your GA measurement ID, click classes, and data layer keys. Use preview mode to test each tag and trigger. This shows why a tag did or did not fire, making debugging faster. Finish by publishing a container version with a clear name so you can roll back if needed. After publishing, verify events in Google Analytics real-time and use Tag Assistant or Preview to confirm tags fire as expected. If something breaks, check common causes. Data layer pushes occurring after GTM load, incorrect trigger logic, or blocked scripts. Make sure triggers match element selectors and that variables read correct values. One key tip: reproduce the sequence in.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.